Hello everybody and welcome back to Wealth Guide. Earning money can be difficult, but not anymore. There are tons of tricks which can help you to earn easy money. All you need to do is have a little bit of patience, a smartphone or a laptop, an internet connection, and a PayPal account. Today we will be discussing how to earn $100 in free PayPal money. Make sure you stick around until the end so you don't miss an incredible method to gain cash just by sitting at home. Number 5. Make a PayPal account. To start, you need to make a PayPal account. This is free and easy to use. PayPal is a way for you to earn money and hold money digitally. It is used around the world and anyone can get a PayPal account. You will need this for today's technique, so go ahead and visit that website, then look on the top of the page for the sign up button. You'll be greeted with a page that asks you if you want to sign up a personal account or a business account. Go ahead and select personal account. Then enter your email address and a password. You're all set. Number 4. Go to Validately. Validately is an amazing website that will pay you to do short tasks. This is a great site to use if you want to earn money fast. Here are the payouts. For a 5-minute task, you will earn $25. For a 10-minute task, you will earn $75. And for a 30-minute task, you will earn $300. Isn't that great? Pay close attention to these instructions because with it, you'll be earning a lot of money for free in a short amount of time. Some of you may have heard of the website Validately before, but here is a new method for earning with it. You can use this site on either your phone or a computer. It's a really legit company because if you scroll down on their front page, you can see a list of all their customers, which includes Google, Amazon, Allstate, and others. When you first go to the website, you are going to want to hover your mouse over the tab on the top of the page that states Get Paid to Test. Click on it and it will take you to a page that very clearly states, test websites, make money, it's that simple. Yes, it truly is that simple. This will be a lot easier than you may think. To start, click on the green button that says Start Making Money. Once you click that button, it'll take you to another page that allows you to register as a tester and start earning money. Click on the Create an Account button. It will take you to a form that you're going to need to fill out. Number 3. Fill out the form. This form contains 16 questions that you will need to fill out in order to be accepted as a website tester. Let's take a look at what you can expect to be on the form. Question 1 starts off simple enough. It asks you what type of mobile device you own. Answer all these questions honestly. If you own multiple devices, answer all of these questions honestly. Question 2 asks what kind of computer do you own? Select all that apply. You may have a Mac or a Windows or maybe even a Linux computer. Select what is best suited to you. Then click on Next. Question 3 is going to ask you what version of your operating system you're using. If you used Windows previously, it will ask you which version of Windows you're on, such as Windows 10, Windows 8, etc. Select one of these and then click on Next. Then it will ask you about your gender. Select either male or female. Question 5 asks you what year you were born. For this answer, you will have to type it, so type in your answer and then select Next. Question 6 will be an important one. It will ask you what is your level of education. It is best to select college graduate because that means you earn higher pay. Then select Next. Next question asks you about your employment status. Select either self-employed, part-time or full-time. Click that and then click Next. Question 8 asks you what industry you are currently working in. Click on the blank space and there will be a long list of options. You can also select Display Additional Results to find more options. Here's a quick tip. If you select Information Technology or anything revolving around IT or technical jobs, you'll be earning a lot more money through this site, so consider choosing one of those options. Now click Next. Here is question number 9. It will ask you to select a job title. Type in Marketing and select Search Marketing Strategist. Then click Next. Now question 10 asks you about your annual household income. It is important to select an answer in between. Select one from $25,000 a year to $125,000 a year. Now click Next. Now it will ask you for your full name. Simple. Just input your full name into the answer bar. Click Next. Question 12 asks you for your email address. It is important to add a valid email address for this. Then click Next. Now another important question. They will ask you your PayPal email address. If you already have a PayPal account, then enter your email for that. This is important because this is how they will send you the money after you complete the short tasks. Enter your PayPal email address into the answer bar and then click Next. Question 14 is super simple. It will ask you to enter a password. Choose one that you will remember and then hit Next. Question 15. Now you will need to pay attention closely to this instruction. This question will ask you what time zone you live in. When you click Detect My Location, you will want to select Provide Time Zone manually. Click on that and then select which time zone you live in. Just select a country and click on it. Then select which country you're from. Then finally select a state. After answering the 3 columns, click Next. Now the final question. Question 16. You will be agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. This one is the easiest. Just click Yes, I agree. There isn't any other option. Then when you click that, hit Sign Up. That's it for the form. Number 2. Take the test. Once you have finished the form, you'll be led to a page. This page states that you must take a simple 1-minute screener test before you can get paid to take tests. For this, you must be using Google Chrome. You can download that browser for free. Once you have it, check your email inbox and find the email from Validate. This will be your confirmation email. Then click the link to confirm your account. Then the screener test will begin. Go to the bottom of the page and select the button that says Take the Screener Test Now. That will lead you to another page. On that page, you can see the website is recruiting people to test websites. This screener test can be done either with your computer or with your phone. It also says you must be using Google Chrome. Now go to the bottom of this page and select I will test websites for money. Then they will give you a test tutorial. You can pick on the green circle to show your tasks. You can also watch tutorial videos for this. Click Next. The green circle will appear in the corner of the page. You can move this around. That is where your task will appear. Now click on OK, I'm ready to begin this test. Now to begin, you will need to install the Validate extension on Google Chrome. Click on the Install button on this page and it will lead you to the Google Chrome Web Store. It will open up the Validate Unmoderated extension. Now click Add to Chrome. This will add the extension to your browser. Now you can use this software to test websites from your phone or computer. Number 1. Go to Amazon website to test the website. Once you have the Validate Unmoderated testing extension added to your Google Chrome, you will now have a task. Here is an example task. This is for testing the Amazon website. They will provide you with a document that has instructions in a step-by-step format of what to do. The instructions are simple. First, you will need to visit the Amazon website. They will provide you with a link for the website. Click on the link and once you do, you will be led to the website they ask you to test. For example, you will be led to Amazon's homepage. That was the first step to this. Now they will ask you to take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. You will need to take a screenshot because this provides Validate with proof that you actually visited the website. If you're using your phone, just take a normal screenshot. If you're on your computer, then use print screen or the snipping tool to screenshot the main page from the link they sent you. Save this image as proof that you visited the website. That is the end of step number 2. See, it's super simple so far. Now, on to step 3. They will want you to locate today's deals on the Amazon website and take a screenshot of that. To do this, go to the Amazon website and locate it. They want you to do this because they want to know if it is easy to find the daily deals. Certain websites make it difficult for users to locate certain sections, so this is a way to audit the process of finding it. On Amazon, it is easily found at the top of the page. Now click the Today's Best Deals button and take a screenshot of that. Next step is to search for Scott Standard bath tissue and take a screenshot. You can copy and paste what you need to search so it will be easier. Then search it. Once you find it, select it and take a screenshot. And that's it. That's all the steps needed for this example task. It didn't take that much time and you are going to get paid a decent amount of money for it. Most of the tasks will usually be similar to this, so you can easily do a lot of them and get hundreds of dollars a day. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.